Now we are going to start chapter 4, Principle of Mathematical Induction, exercise 4.1. The given question is 1 plus 3 plus 3 square up to 3 to the power n minus 1, which is equal to 3 to the power n minus 1 by 2. So first we need to prove that the statement is true for n equal to 1. Suppose you need to suppose for n equal to 1. That is your step 1. So P of 1 equal to 1, which is equal to, here in place of n you write 1, which is equal to 3 minus 1 by 2, 2 upon 2, which is equal to 1. So which is true. That means your P1 is true. Now assume P of k is true for some positive integer k. For some positive integer k. That is, in place of n you are writing k. That is your step 2. Your step 2 becomes 1 plus 3 square up to 3 to the power k minus 1, which is equal to 3 to the power k minus 1 by 2. Okay. Now in your step 3 we shall now prove that P of k plus 1 also is also true. Is also true. For this, what we need to prove? For this, we have to prove that 1 plus 3 square up to 3 to the power k minus 1 plus 3 to the power k, which is equal to 3 to the power k plus 1 minus 1 by 2. This you want to prove in the step 3, means pk plus 1 you want to prove. So in your step 2, what is your LHS you are having? That I am taking. See, in your LHS, what you are having? 1 plus 3 square plus up to 3k minus 1 plus 3k. Okay. So here in your step 2 you see 1 plus 3 square up to 3k minus 1. What is given? 3 to the power k minus 1 by 2. So for this I can write 3 to the power k minus 1 by 2 because it is given. In your step 2 it is given with this much equal to 3 to the power k minus 1 by 2. So here I am writing the same. So 3 to the power k minus 1 by 2 plus 3 to the power k plus 3 to the power k. Now I am taking 2 as LCM. Then it becomes 3 to the power k minus 1 plus 2 into 3 to the power k. 2 into 3 to the power k. So see here, this is also positive, this is also positive. So by adding these two, what I am getting? 3 into 3 to the power k minus 1 by 2. Here no power is there, means you can take 1 as a power. This you can write as 3 to the power k plus 1 minus 1 by 2. That only you need to prove. So these both are which is equal to your RHS, hence proved. So what you can write, hence the principle of mathematical induction, the statement is true for all small n belongs to capital N. So here thus P of k plus 1 is true whenever P of k is true. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus up to n cube, which is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. Okay. In this induction, first you need to suppose the given question is P of n. So here your P of n is the same question you need to copy. So 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to n cube, which is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. Okay. Your step 1 is in place of n, you need to put 1. So for n equal to 1. So what is your P of 1? P of 1 means 1 cube, that is your 1, which is equal to 1 into 1 plus 1 by 2 whole square. Okay, so 1 into 1 plus 1, 1 into 2 by 2 whole square, 2 got cancelled, so 1 square means which is equal to 1. That means your P of 1 which is true. Okay, now in your step 2 what you need to do? In your step 2 assume P of k is true, P of k is true for some positive integer, for some positive integer k. So here in this step nothing to do, only in place of n you need to write k, the remaining all as it is you need to copy. So this becomes 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus up to in place of n you will write k cube equal to k into k plus 1 by 2 whole square. Okay. Now we shall now in your step 3 we shall now to prove that P of k plus 1 is also true. For this we have to prove 1 cube plus 2 cube up to k cube plus k plus 1 whole cube equal to k plus 1 k plus 1 plus 1 by 2 whole square. This you need to prove. Okay. This you want to prove. For that LHS I am taking. What is your LHS? 1 cube plus 2 cube plus up to k cube plus k plus 1 whole cube. Okay. So up to here from your step 2, from step 2 you can what you can take from your step 2 up to this equal to k into k plus 1 by 2 whole square. This is given in your step 2. From step 2 you copied this value equal to this much plus k plus 1 whole cube. Open the bracket. What you are going to get? K square, k plus 1 whole square by 2 square is 4 plus k plus 1 whole cube. Okay. Now the same by taking LCM k square, k plus 1 whole square plus 4 into k plus 1 whole cube by 4. Now I am taking k plus 1 whole square as a common. K plus 1 whole square as common I am taking. Then what is remaining? K square plus 4 into k plus 1, 4 into k plus 1 divided by 4. The same I can write k plus 1 whole square. When I am opening the bracket, k square plus 4k plus 4 by 4. Okay. This is in the form of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square form. The same I can write k plus 1 whole square into k plus 2 whole square by 4. The same now I am writing k plus 1, k plus 2 I can write it as k plus 1 plus 1. 4 I am writing as 2 and whole bracket I am writing as a square. This I can write. What is this? This is your RHS. Hence your PK plus 1 is 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 2 plus 1 upon 1 plus 2 plus 3 in this way, continuing 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n, which is equal to 2n by n plus 1. But here note one small formula we are using, that is sum of n natural numbers. Sum of n natural numbers equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. This formula we are using. So here by using this formula, the statement becomes P of n is 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 2. In this way, here 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. In place of that, I can write n into n plus 1 by 2. Because here in this step, last step, I am using this formula, sum of n natural numbers equal to n into n plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 2n by n plus 1. Now for step 1, for n equal to 1. Your step 1 is for n equal to 1. N equal to 1 means your left hand side becomes P of 1 is equal to 2 by n into n plus 1. And your right hand side is 2n by n plus 1. In place of n, you just put 1. 2 by 1 into 1 plus 1. 2 into 1 by 1 plus 1. So 2 by 2, which is 1, 2 by 2, which is 1. Your LHS equals to RHS, which is true. Now, you are supposing which is true for k. For k is some positive integer. In your step 2, what you are taking? For in place of n, you are writing k, where k is some positive integer. Then the given statement becomes P of k 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 up to in this way. Only in place of n you are writing k. So k into k plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 2k by k plus 1. Okay. Now in your step 3, what you want to do in step 3, we shall now prove that P of k plus 1 is also true. For that, what you need to do? For this, we have to prove 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus up to 2 by k into k plus 1 plus 2 by k plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2 into k plus 1 by k plus 1 plus 1. This you want to prove? Okay. For this, I am taking the left hand side. Okay. I am taking the left hand side. What is your left hand side? 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to in this way 1 by plus 2 by k into k plus 1 plus 2 by k plus 1 k plus 2. Okay. But up to here, this from step 2, what I can write? From step 2, this what I can write, which is equal to, I can write 2k by k plus 1 plus 2 by k plus 1 into k plus 2, which is equal to, by taking LCM, k plus 1, k plus 2 k plus 1 cancel 2k into k plus 2 plus 2, which is equal to 2k square plus 4k plus 2 by k plus 1 into k plus 2. By taking 2 common, which is equal to k square plus 2k plus 1 by k plus 1 into k plus 2. Okay, here this by using a plus b whole square formula, this becomes k plus 1 whole square by k plus 1 into k plus 2. Okay, one time it is going to get cancelled, then it becomes 2 into k plus 1 by k plus 2. The same I can write 2 into k plus 1 by k plus 1 plus 1, which is your RHS, hence proved. Thus, pk plus 1 is true whenever pk is true. Whenever pk is true. This is the given statement. P of n, whatever question, that only we are taking as a given statement. 1 into 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 into 4 plus continuing in this way n into n plus 1 into n plus 2, which is equal to n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3 by 4. So first we prove that the statement is true for the statement is true for n equal to 1. That means your P of 1 equal to 1 into 2 into 3, which is equal to 1 into 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3 by 4, which is equal to 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 by 4. So 1 into 2 into 3 equal to 1 into 2 into 3. That means P1 is true. Okay. So first the statement is true for n equal to 1. Here 6 equal to 6, which is true. Now assume in your step 2, assume pk is true. This is your step 2. This is your step 1. In step 2, assume pk is true for some positive integer k. Okay. That means what you need to do in this step is just you need to write in place of n k. So k into k plus 1 into k plus 2, which is equal to k into k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 3 divided by 4. Now in your step 3, we shall now prove that pk plus 1 is also true. For this we have to prove that 1 into 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 into 4 plus continuing this way k into k plus 1 into k plus 2 plus k plus 1 plus 1, that means k plus 2 and k plus 1 plus 2 equal to k plus 1 plus 1 k plus 1 plus 2 k plus 1 plus 3 divided by 4. That means which is equal to right hand side what you should get k plus 1 k plus 2 k plus 3 k plus 4 divided by 4. This you need to get. So LHS I am taking. What is my LHS here? 1 into 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 into 4 plus up to in this way k into k plus 1 into k plus 2 plus k plus 1 k plus 2 and k plus 3 up to here, up to here, from my step 2, from my step 2. What is from step 2 the up to here equal to what? Which is equal to k into, which is equal to k into k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 3 divided by 4. Okay, plus k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3. By taking 4 as LCM, k into k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3 plus 4 into k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3. So by taking common k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3, by taking common these, by taking this common, what is remaining here? K, and what is remaining here? 4 by 4, which is nothing but your RHS. That means thus your PK plus 1 is true whenever PK is true. Hence, by principle of mathematical induction, the statement of Pn is true for all small n belongs to capital N. Now question 5, 1.3 plus 2 into 3 square plus 3 into 3 cube plus continuing in this way n into 3 to the power n, which is equal to 2n minus 1 into 3 to the power n plus 1 plus 3 whole divided by 4. That is your given statement. Whatever is the question, that only you are supposing as given statement. First we need to prove that. First we prove that the statement is true for n equal to 1. That means your P of 1 equal to 1 into 3 equal to 1 into 3, which is equal to 2 into minus 1, 3 to the power 1 plus 1 plus 3 by 4, which is equal to 2 minus 1, that is 1. 3 to the power 1 plus 1 is 3 square plus 3 by 4. 3 square is 9. 9 plus 3 by 4. So 12 by 4. 12 by 4 is 3. So your left hand side, this is also 1 into 3 is 3 and right hand side also 3. So which is true? Which is true. Okay. Now assume P of k is true for some positive integer k. That is, in this step, that is your step 2. Here you need to do only, you need to replace in place of 1 with k. 1.3, 2 into 3 square plus 3 into 3 cube. Continuing in this way, k into 3 to the power k, which is equal to 2k minus 1 into 3k plus 1 plus 3 by 4. Okay. Now we shall now prove that we shall now prove that pk plus 1 is also true. pk plus 1 is also pk plus 1 is also true. For this, we have to prove that 1 into 3 plus 2 into 3 square plus 3 into 3 cube plus up to k into 3 to the power k plus k plus 1 into 3 to the power k plus 1, which is equal to 2 into k plus 1 minus 1 into 3 to the power k plus 1 plus 1 plus 3 by 4. This you want to prove. So for that, take the left hand side. What is your left hand side? 1 into 3 plus 2 into 3 square plus continuing in this way k into 3k plus k plus 1 into 3 to the power k plus 1. Okay, but up to here what I can take from step 2. The value up to here I am taking from step 2 by using step 2. By using step 2 up to this value I am replacing, which is equal to what? 2k minus 1 into 3 to the power k plus 1 plus 3 by 4 plus k plus 1 into 3 to the power k plus 1. Okay. Now, by taking 4 as LCM, 2k minus 1, 3 to the power k plus 1 plus 3 plus 4 into k plus 1 into 3 to the power k plus 1. Now see, what can I take as a common? You can take something as a common. What can I take as common? 3k plus 1 can take as a common. Okay. So now I'm taking 3k plus 1 plus 1. So what is remaining here? 2k minus 1 plus 4 into k, 4k plus 4. This 3 we are writing last. Okay. By 4, which is equal to 3 to the power k plus 1. 2k plus 4k is 6k and 4 minus 1 is 3 plus 3. Okay. And these 3 is as it is you are having by 4. The same, if now I am taking 3 as common, the same I can write it as 3k plus 1 into 3. It becomes 3 2s are 2k plus 1 plus 3 by 4. Okay. So now here 1 is there. So the same I can write this as 3k plus 1 into this 2k plus 1. The 2k plus 1 I can write it as 2k plus 1 minus 1 I can write, and plus 3 by 4 over, which is equal to your RHS. So pk plus 1 is true for all p of k. Plus up to n into n plus 1, which is equal to n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 3. Okay. So this is a given statement Pn. Whatever is a question given to you, that is only you need to suppose take it as a given statement. Now your step 1 is when n equal to 1. For n equal to 1. That means your P of 1. P of 1 means your left hand side is what? 1 into 1 plus 1, which is equal to 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 2 by 3. So 1 into 1 plus 1 is 1 into 2. That means 2. And your this is 1 into 2 into 3 by 3. So 3 cancelled. So here also you are getting 2. So which is true. That means your P1 is true. Now you are supposing in your step 2 what you need to do for n equal to k, where k is some positive integer, where k is some positive integer. Okay. So in this step nothing to do. Simply in place of n you will replace it as k. So up to here k into k plus 1 which is equal to k plus 1 into k plus 2 divided by 3. Okay. In your step 3, what you are going to do? In your step 3, you need to prove. Suppose we shall now prove. We shall now prove that pk plus 1, p of k plus 1 is also true. Is also true. For this, we have to prove that. We have to prove that 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4. In this way, k into k plus 1 plus k plus 1 into k plus 1 that is k plus 2 which is equal to k plus 1 k plus 1 plus 1 that is k plus 2 k plus 1 plus 2 that is k plus 3 by 3. This you need to prove. Okay, so I am taking my LHS. What is my LHS? 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 is 3 into 4. In this way, k into k plus 1 plus k plus 1 into k plus 2. But up to here, in my step 2, what is the value? By using step 2, by using step 2, this is equal to k into k plus 1 into k plus 2 by 3 plus k plus 1 into k plus 2. Okay, these two as it is I am writing. Up to this much I am replacing the value with the step 2. Now the LCM is 3. So this becomes k into k plus 1 into k plus 2 plus 3 into k plus 1 into k plus 2. Okay. By taking common k plus 1 and k plus 2, it becomes k plus 1 into k plus 2. So what is here remaining? K. And what is here remaining? K plus 3 by 3, which is nothing but your RHS. Which is your RHS. Thus, pk plus 1 is true whenever your pk is true. Okay. Now see the next.